Good afternoon. Thank you very much to my beautiful and kind friend Cara and family. Thank you very much for this Christmas gift, muffin and some cookies. And cookies also, they're inside, looking yummy. Thank you very much. Beautiful in packages. Merry Christmas spirit. Thank you very much, Cara and family. This is yummy. I'm gonna eat after this. The cookies looking good. Chocolate cookies and muffin. I don't know what kind of muffin. Chocolate muffin. Thank you very much.